Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of PostgreSQL. Today I will teach you one of the most important keywords in SQL, that is the select keyword. So select keyword is basically used to get our data from the tables, or it is used to select the data that we want to see from a table. So we had one database, that is test, and we had two tables in it, that is the company table and the department table. So today we will select the data from the company table, and we inserted some data in the company table last time. You could see it from here, and as you see I have 5 rows here, and I will select this data from the PG admin, as well as I will show you how to select data from the SQL shell if you are missing it already. So first of all, I will tell you how to do it from the PG admin SQL. That is, you could just click on execute from here and just use select. Now we know that we had 5 fields in our company table, that is ID, name, age, address, and salary. So I will be selecting only two of those columns, that is the ID and the name. So I will write ID comma name from company, and you could see that I have this result now. So this has filtered my result of all of the table. This shows me a part of the table. So this is the main role of select statement. There are select is a very useful and the most important keyword to select our data. And with select we can combine many other clauses and conditions that we will talk about later to filter our data even more. So now if you want to select everything from a table, I have already told you that we could use select star. Star means to select everything from the table, from our table, that is company. So as you could see now that I have everything selected now. So this is all for the SQL part, and now I will show you how to do it in the SQL shell. That is, you could open your SQL shell and connect it. Remember, I have already entered my password, so I don't need to enter it. So I will connect it to my database, that is test, that is \c test. Now I have connected to database test. Now I will be describing the table company. You can use \d and company, and this will describe my table. You could see that I have ID, name, age, address, and salary as type integer, text, integer, character, and real. So to select, I will use the same procedure, that is select ID and name from company, and you see that I get the same result here. And if I select star from company, now you would see that again I get each and every result. So this was all for select statement. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe for more and stay tuned.